Like, comment, and subscribe, people. Bam Lit Ghetto Investor. I want to speak about how Trump is the biggest businessman ever if the stock market break out right now. Because I try to tell y'all that the stock market is in our favor. I'm up thousands of dollars because I understand it. The more you study something, the more you learn something, the more you're in it, you understand it. It's like going to work. And when you go to work and you work at your job for 10, 15, 20 years, you understand the whole job. You understand the whole building. You probably know every position. It's just like that. Practice make perfect. It's easy to learn something and win off of it. See my baby girl? She's gonna be a winner because of the things that I sat and I put in my brain to learn so I could pass it down to her. I have formula, I have strategy. So when you develop formulas and strategies, your kids live better. Because while the economy is only gonna get better and worse. And when I say better and worse, I'm saying like, if you got some money and you understand some things and you don't have bad behavior, if you got 20% head knowledge and 80% behavior problems, you got to stop the behavior. You got to stop bad behavior. You got to stop bad habits. And stop blaming people. Stop playing the victim. Because you're in a place where, if you're in the United States of America, this is a business. Everything is a business. See all these people out here walking around? 70% of Americans are broke. They're broke. So when you see people spending money, it's marketed in front of your face. Trump is the biggest businessman if this stock market break out. The way I look at it, I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the chart. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the chart I'm looking at. On the S&P 500 and the Dow. And if this stock market break out and it's not a fake out, it's not a fake out. He's the greatest businessman because all he did was brought the stock market down so all the rich guys could buy more. You have guys like me buying. I'm buying heavy. I'm buying heavy. Okay? You got value investors that buy. We buy these companies because we understand the balance sheet. We understand the cash equivalents. We understand there's money there. Everything else is noise. When Trump run his mouth, it's noise. You know? So it scares you out your positions and it scares you out your retirements. And it scares you into not investing. Do you see everything on these streets being demolished? Do you see everybody in the world living? People gonna buy stuff even if they gotta take it out on credit. It's bad habits. It's marketed for a reason. Credit cards. They spend $100 million. Listen to what I'm telling you. $100 million a year to market these things in front of your face. Where you see these places going? And if it do go down, it's for the better anyway, because like I said, it's a discount. So you buy at a discount. Stay away from the banks. Follow the rich. You want to become rich, you do rich people things. Stop doing poor people things. All these things right here that's in front of your face, a Foot Locker and all of these stores, is put there for the consumer. I was having a good conversation with one of my guys, and I told my guy, I said, hey, would you delay pleasure for a decade to live for the rest of your life? To enjoy the rest of your life? Because that's all you need. Could you live frugal for a decade? Could you live frugal? Could you worry about yourself and not worry about what people think about you? Like, don't buy the most expensive car which depreciates and it go down like a rock. Like, don't buy the most expensive car and You're gonna pull up at a stop sign. You're gonna pull up at a stoplight. Y'all don't know each other. You don't even. He don't care what you got. You don't care what he got. You just boosting your own ego, and ego and pride. Those are two fake ass words. Words are made up. You gotta understand. Like I keep saying, the United States is a business. So get along with the program, or you stay poor. That's it. You got people that come from all over the world and come here and make a lot of money, make a killing, send back home, and they build. What's your excuse? Average household income in America is about $60,000. People go broke because of behavior. Like, comment, and subscribe. Ghetto Investor, the Ghetto Man.